Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and I hope everyone else is having a good day wherever you are. I do have a watch that I'm going to go over today, but before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much for all of your support with the channel, all of your liking, subscribing, thumbs up, and your comments that you post in the comment section. Just your general interaction with the channel always does help out. And if you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, I would appreciate it if you headed on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune on your footwear either. So, without further ado, let's get into this watch and check it out, see what we have on the table today. This is a watch from the company ADDIESDIVE. I have purchased quite a few of these ADDIESDIVE watches, and I really do love them. I think they have great quality and spec for the price. But let's get into this package and see exactly which one we have for you today. I order a lot of watches, so I'm not really sure what I ordered here. Let's see here. Okay, let's get into it. And as always, the ADDIESDIVEs always come very well packaged in this hard plastic case. Very nice presentation with these things. This is I believe this is a dive watch, I think. I'm not really sure which one this is. Yeah, this is a dive watch I had been meaning to check out for quite a while. It does come with the warranty card. It comes with the resizing pin to resize the bracelet, and it also comes with your instruction booklet, which I believe is a generic instruction booklet. Yeah, it looks like it's a generic instruction booklet, so for all of their watches. But anyway, let's get into this and take a look at it here. This watch I got because I had reviewed quite a few of the Seiko PROSPEX with the beautiful dials, and I saw this one online and I said, that looks pretty similar to one of the Seikos, so I actually ordered one because I wanted to check it out and see how it looks in person, because sometimes these things look great online, and then when you get them, they don't really have the same wow factor in person. So I'm going to take a look at this one and see if it does. I'm holding out some hope for it. Just can't get the plastic off here. They've got it wrapped extremely tight. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's take a good look at it. Now, this is supposed to follow the Seiko PROSPEX line, the Monster. I'm gonna have to say it looks really nice, but I don't think it can hold up to the Seiko as far as the dial design is concerned. I mean, it does look nice, but I think that the designs on the Seiko are a lot deeper and more detailed than what I'm seeing here. This looks a little bit, I don't know, kind of a little cheap looking. By comparison to the Seiko PROSPEX Monsters. It does feel like it's a really good quality watch, though. Everything moves very crisp and clean on it. It is an automatic. This is the ADDIESDIVE AD2045. It does have 200 meters of water resistance, and it does have that Japanese Seiko NH35A movement with the date window. And it has a sapphire crystal. It's a 43.8 millimeter case. This bezel is extremely tight. No back play on it whatsoever. Very nice bezel. Let's see what the lume capability is on this thing. Okay, it looks like it's got some blue lume. Let's get some more light on that. All right, it looks like it has some blue lume, but not as not as bright. Well, I mean, I guess it's pretty bright. Not as bright as a Seiko, obviously. So if you're comparing this to the Seiko, there's really no contest. But when when I tell you what the price is, you might change your mind on it, because it does have a really, really great price. This is a like I said, an automatic NH35A movement. It does have the screw down crown with the ADDIESDIVE logo on the base of the crown, and or on the face of the crown. This is a 200-meter water resistant watch. It definitely has the weight and the feel to it. Very, very nice watch. Very, very tight bracelet with the push button deployment clasp. It looks like it's taped, so I'm not going to be able to open that up right now. So it does have tape on it. But anyway, push button deployment clasp on a very tight bracelet, stamped steel, stainless steel case. Like I showed you before, it's got that really nice blue illumination on the hands and the indices. Once again, the ADDIESDIVE AD2045. Beautiful watch, supposed to look like a Seiko PROSPEX, but it doesn't have that same quality. Like I said, does have the sapphire crystal, the Japanese movement, but the price on this thing, guys, if you're looking for a Seiko PROSPEX, you're going to be paying over 400 bucks for it. This watch right here is available on Amazon right now for about 110 bucks. $110, and you can have this thing on your wrist. I will post the affiliate link to this in the description below. That is an affiliate link, like I said, and it does not cost you anything more to use it, but if you do click on it, it does send a commission over to me for referring you to the sale. And this is definitely something I would check out for that price. It is priced very well for what it is. Like I said, NH35A Seiko movement, sapphire crystal, stainless steel case. It's just a very nice watch all around. I would not say that it is I mean, like I said, it's not the same quality as a Seiko, but it's not a Seiko, guys. This is an ADDIESDIVE watch, and it does follow some of those characteristics. Not a counterfeit, not a clone, just something that homages a Seiko PROSPEX watch. So, like I said before, if you do want to check this out, I will post that link in the description below. If you like this content, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that content, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to this channel, I would definitely appreciate you guys heading on over to Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So if you do have any questions about this watch, anything that I missed on it, something that you need to know more about, just be sure to post that in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer as many comments as I can. And like I said, if you do like the video, thumbs up. If you want to be a member of the channel and support the channel in real time, click on that join button, see what membership options we do have available for you. And like I said, be sure to head on over to Dave the Shoe Man also. I'd love to have you guys as a subscriber of both channels. So once again, Dave the Watchman, I am out of here. I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all, and have a great day.